In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Mexico with Remitly. To get started, open the Remitly app or go to the Remitly website and sign into your account. If you do not have an account yet, create one first and complete any required setup steps so you can access the transfer screen without interruptions. It is always a good idea to make sure your account information is fully verified before sending money, especially if this is your first transfer. Once you are inside your account, look at the country option at the top of the screen. Click on it and select Mexico as the destination country. This is important because it determines the delivery options, currency, and transfer details that will be available for your transaction. After selecting Mexico, click Send Money. This will take you to the part of the process where you choose who will receive the transfer. If the recipient is already saved in your contacts, simply click on their contact to continue. This can save time and help avoid re-entering information. If the recipient is not already saved, click New Contact and then select their country. Make sure the country is set correctly so the transfer is routed properly. At this stage, take your time and enter the recipient information carefully. Accurate details are essential because even a small mistake can delay the transfer or cause issues with delivery. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you type in the amount, Remitly may show you the exchange rate, fees, and the total the recipient will receive. This is helpful because it allows you to review the full cost before moving forward. If you are sending money regularly, it can also be useful to compare delivery speed and pricing before finalizing the transfer. After that, select the delivery method. The options available may depend on the recipient's location and how they want to receive the money. Then, select your payment method. Choose the option that works best for you and make sure the payment information is current and correct to avoid any processing problems. When everything looks right, click Continue. You will then be asked to enter the recipient's account details if needed, depending on the delivery method you selected. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully and review all the information before confirming the transfer. Before you finish, double-check the recipient details, the amount, and the payment method one last time. Once confirmed, submit the transfer and wait for the confirmation message. And that's how to send money to Mexico with Remitly.